A very good afternoon to all of you, beta. We have already started with periodic table. Now I'm going to revise few things for you. Okay, quickly, what all thing we did in the last class. Okay. Now the very first one, beta. Why we need to classify elements, beta? Because if you go into any departmental store, for shopping and all, beta, so everything is classified very nicely. All eatables are kept in one section, clothes in another section. Okay, right? Soaps in another section. So your job becomes very easy. Similarly, there are so many elements, therefore we need to classify so that we can classify them very easily and our scope of studies will become very simple. So beta, who was the very first one to classify? So who was the very first one to classify? The first one to classify was John, this thing beta, Dobby Reiner. And Dobby Reiner, the first one, I'm quickly revising beta, whatever we have done last class, quickly revising. Dobby Reiner was the first one, and he said what he said that the physical and the chemical properties of element are periodic functions of their what? Atomic weight. It is periodic functions of what beta? Atomic weight. Atomic weight. Okay, what is atomic weight? It is the sum of the mass of protons and neutrons. Sum of the mass of protons and neutron. Where is the mass of an atom concentrated inside the nucleus? You arrange the element in a group of three. Right, beta? If I start with this is my first element, this is my last. What will be the atomic weight of the middle one? A plus B by 2. So if it is 7 and this is 39, so how I'm going to find this? 7 plus 39 upon 2. So it will come to how much? 23. So this is known as triad. Now what all thing they will ask in exam, beta? I have told you all to write this also. A, this is B and the middle one will be what, beta? A plus B by 2. I hope all of you have written. Those who have not written, please take this down, beta. First question, what they will ask. Okay, this is, we are directly on page number 8080. 8080. The first thing what they will ask you, listen, mark this, what are triads? Dobby-Reiner arrange the element in the increasing order of atomic weight in a group of three called as triad. Then beta, they will ask you what is the example of triad. So you have to remember Lina K. Lina K. Lithium, sodium, potassium. If the atomic weight of this is A, this is B, then the middle one is how much beta? A plus B by 2. Clear? Then they will ask you what is Dobby-Reiner's law. When chemically analogous means similar element, they are arranged in the increasing order of atomic weight in a group of three. Then the atomic weight of the middle element is what? Average or the arithmetic mean of the other two elements. But beta, he failed. He failed. Why? Because this was not holding true for all elements. Not holding true for all elements. Then beta, who came? Newland. Newland also arranged the element in the increasing order of atomic weight only. Okay, in the atomic weight only. Right, so all these are atomic weight. If you see all these here, 7, 9, all these are atomic weight. We arrange the element in the increasing order of the atomic weight such that if I say the musical notes, so how I'll start from here? Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. So now here it is coming sa. So if I start from here, beta, if it is, this is which element, beta? First element, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and this is what? Eight. So first and eighth element. Eight means octave. Therefore, the word is what? Newland's law of octave. So every first element and eighth element will have similar property when they are arranged in the increasing order of atomic weight, as in the musical note. Sa sa will be similar. So who is the octave of lithium? Bolo, sodium. Who is the octave of beryllium? Yeah, clear. So what was his law, beta? Now let us start. Elements when arranged in the increasing order of atomic weight, then their physical and the chemical properties of every which element, eighth element and first element, as in the musical scale. Right, beta? Sare gama padanita sa sa re re ga ga. They can ask you who is the octave of lithium, sodium. Who is the octave of beryllium, magnesium. But his classification also failed. If they ask why it failed, then you have to say it is not applicable elements beyond potassium. Beyond potassium. Clear? Any difficulty till here? No. Then beta, who was the next one? Beta, next one was Dmitry Mendeleev. Dmitry Mendeleev, he was the Russian chemist. And he was the first one to tell that elements are classified in the physical and the chemical properties of the element are periodic functions of their atomic weight only. He also said what, beta? Atomic weight only. He also said that they are based on what? Their atomic weight. He also said that it is based on atomic weight. Now let me tell you, he is known as father of classification. Why? Because he was the first one to classify the element in groups and period. What are the vertical column called? Groups. Horizontal period. Horizontal. He was Dmitry Mendeleev, father of classification. What do you mean by periodic property? Any property which repeats themselves in a regular time interval. Sunrise, sunset. Sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset. It is regular or not, beta? It is a phenomenon which is repeated at regular time interval. In your school also, every week your timetable gets repeated or not? Tell me. Right? So what is the Mendeleev law? Mendeleev law. The physical and the chemical properties of element are periodic functions of their atomic weight. What are periodic functions? The property which is repeated at a regular time interval is called as periodic function. Clear? He was the first one to classify what is vertical column are known as group. Horizontal are known as periods. So now what all thing you will underline on page number 81 beta? What all thing you will underline first? Mendeleev, periodic law. Mendeleev first he define periodic properties. So you will underline this. The properties which repeat themselves at a regular time interval are called periodic properties. Clear? Which repeat themselves. Okay, then beta, what is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and the chemical properties of the element are periodic functions of their atomic weights. Atomic. Now beta, the table which they have given here, that is the incomplete table. I'll actually show you the exact table beta. Okay. Now look beta, if you see, these are the vertical column. Vertical column are known as what? Groups. All these are group. And horizontal, I'm drawing in blue. These are what? Periods. These are what? Period. So now he arrange the element on the increasing order of atomic mass. Can you see? These are the atomic mass. He arrange the element in the increasing order of atomic mass only. Atomic mass only. Clear? Right? Any difficulty till here? Chalo. Now, if you see lithium atomic number is how much beta? 3. So 2, 1. Sodium it is how much beta? 11. So 281. So they have same valence electron. Element in the same group have same valency. Beryllium is 2, 2. Magnesium is 282. So they have same valency or not? So first question they will ask. What was the contribution given by Mendeleev towards the periodic table for 2 marks? So the very first thing. He was the first one to arrange the element in the increasing order of atomic weight. Horizontal rows are called as period. Hardik Pandya, I gave you the trick. Horizontal period. Right now, or Hindustan Petroleum vertical groups. Okay, element in the same group have same valency. Therefore, they will have similar chemical property. Clear? Now, beta, this table which they have shown, it is not the exact one. So this was I'll show you his exact table, beta. When he gave the table, he was not, at that time, few elements were not discovered. But he thought in advance only, okay, there will be few elements which will come there. Look, can you see these are some empty space? This is his exact table, beta, which is not given in your book, but I'll share you in the group. Hey, can you see here, beta, he has left some, because when he was arranging the element, he thought that few elements will come here in this vacant space. Yeah, and he predicted their property. सीधा बैठा बहुत मत सीधा बैठ Okay, clear है बस. Can you see here? Empty space is there, beta. Can you see the elements? There was some empty space beyond boron, beyond. So beyond को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं बेटा? Ica. What we call it as Ica. So what was the name given to this element? It is below or beyond boron. So Ica boron. Beyond aluminium. So what was the name given to that? Ica aluminium. This is beyond silicon. So what was the name given to it? Ica boron. Ica aluminium. Ica सिलिकॉन. बस इतना ही है. तुमको 3 ही करना है, बाकी सब नहीं करना है. Yeah. Now, after discovery, whatever property he predicted, they were found to be correct. And after the discovery, what was the name given to this? Scandium. What was the name given to this? Gallium. What was the name given to this? Beta, germanium. This will come for match the column. On one side, I will do this. बेटा मैं तुम लोग तीनों को निकाल दूंगा. चुपचाप बैठने का यहाँ पे शांति से. और ये तेरा ना मोजा ना तेरे नाक पे बांध के रख. ठीक है ना बेटा? कब से मार रहा है मुझे. बस बेटा. Don't force me to use biological words. Again, I'm telling you. ठीक है ना बेटा? रख दे अंदर. सॉक्स को रख दे अंदर. बैग के अंदर हो जाना चाहिए. कहाँ पे मैं फेंक दूंगा बाहर तेरे को. तू ना सिर पे पहनाएगा तेरे सॉक्स. ना बस. Beyond. अरे this will come for the math the column. Clear? Okay. Don't worry, I'm going to share this. Don't worry. Look here. How was the name given to this? This was Ica boron. Yeah, Ica aluminium, Ica silicon. Clear, hai, beta? And after discovery, this was known as scandium, gallium, and what? Germanium. Look, again, I'm giving you the name. Look here. This. Ica boron is scandium. Ica aluminium is gallium. Ica silicon is germanium. Any difficulty till here? Okay, so all this is given in your textbook also, but they have written haphazardly, but I have given you in this match the column form. Look here. Can you see this? A. Ica boron is can I'm writing with different colors. Then this is what Ica aluminium is what beta gallium. ठीक है. Ica silicon is what beta germanium. And atomic weight of the few elements were corrected. Atomic weight of the few elements were corrected by the knowledge of the adjacent element. But his classification failed. So this you will write when they ask for contribution. His classification failed. Why it failed? They will ask this for also. Why his classification failed? Now tell me, beta, how you arrange the element? He arrange the element in the increasing order of atomic number or not? Tell me. Atomic weight. Sorry, atomic weight. अरे क्या हो रहा है ये? हाँ, look here. Hey, you only tell me this. This boy here. क्या नाम है? शेट्टी ना? यहाँ पे देख. हाँ. Anna, tell me. What will happen here? And now tell me, beta, he arranged the element in what man? Increasing order about the atomic mass. Now tell me, is the atomic mass is increasing or not? But no, man. This is 58.9 and this is 58.7. So everybody questioned him. Why you have done this way? Then he said, no, it will remain this way only. And therefore, this is known as what? Anomalous pair. Actually, elements, yeah, there are many, but for your syllabus, date is only one. Okay? There are many. If I will show you here also, can you see there's a many over here? Here also, can you see this is in higher standard we teach all others. But for your level, you should know only this anomalous pair. So first failure. Yeah. Iridium. You are not supposed to remember those things. जो है वो तो remember करो. Yeah, iridium OS is osmium. ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay. चलो आ जाओ. Yes. Anomalous pair. Certain elements having higher atomic weight were given position before the lower. He was contradicting himself. Can you see, beta? This is 58.9 and this is 50. So who should come first? 58.6. But he placed what? 58.9 first. Cobalt and nickel. Cobalt and nickel. Clear? What happened? Well, tell me what happened. He arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass. But somewhere what he did, the heavier one was placed before the lower one. क्लियर है बेटा? ये तुम्हारा गेम है ना, मैं ही तुम लोग दोनों का गेम कर दूंगा वहां पे आके. समझा ना बेटा? I'm a big player, you don't know. Yeah. समझा ना? Yeah. चलो आ जाओ. I'm good at playing all these X and Zero games and whatever game you're playing and whatever. Yeah. Chalo. I now play pay attention here. The Raptor man will fly and like a feather and you'll fall out of the class. Yeah. No. Oh my God. Please, that boy there, please control all your erotic emotions. Okay? Okay, bas. Oh, like this is doing what nonsense. Okay, now. No, अब करूंगा 2 मिनट शांति से बैठो. जब तक चुप नहीं बैठेगा कोई कुछ होने वाला है. नहीं चिल्लाते बैठो फिर. I'll show you red card here, okay, and throw you out of the class. Okay? Yeah. Bas. Now.
So give them ban.
Yeah, keep on talking. Keep on talking. Hydrogen beta, you know, 3 isotopes are there. 1, 2, and 3. Protium, deuterium, and tritium. Now look, beta, if he will try to arrange on the basis of atomic mass, then hydrogen should occupy three different positions or not. So he was not he was not able to justify the position of isotope. But you know, in all these isotopes, what was common, beta? Atomic number. So if I arrange element on the basis of atomic number, then this problem will be solved or not? Tell me. Yes. So the position of the isotope can be solved only on the basis of what? Atomic number. So then, beta, we got a new idea that elements should not be arranged on the basis of atomic weight. They should be arranged on the basis of atomic number. Atomic number. Acha, now, beta, if you see in his table, there were no separate two layers below the periodic table. If you see in your modern periodic table, we have two series below. These are length. ए तेरे को ना लास्ट टाइम तुम दोनों को बोल रहा बहुत मारेगा मैं अभी चुपचाप बैठ lanthanide and actinides. Clear? Lanthanide and actinide, these two series were missing in his table, but then those positions can be justified only on the basis of what? Atomic numbers. Clear? Then we have modern periodic table. Now, what all things they will ask in modern periodic table? What is the basis of classification of modern periodic table, beta? Then what will say? Increasing order of atomic number is the basis of classification of the element on the basis of atomic number. Acha, now they will ask you in modern periodic table, what is the physics of modern periodic law? Everything will remain same. Instead of atomic weight, what will write? Atomic. The physical and the chemical properties of the element are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Atomic numbers. Clear? Then, beta, in his table, beta, how many horizontal rows are there in modern periodic table? 7 horizontal rows, period. 18 vertical columns known as groups. Clear? I'll show you, baby. Look. So we are going to go for the modern periodic table. Henry Moseley. Look at him. Look at him. This was Henry Moseley. Very
Young and all.
Why it is not working? Okay. Pass. Now, beta, I'll tell you, beta. Hey, look at this modern periodic table. How is the modern periodic table, beta? These are vertical columns. Can you see these horizontal rows are period? Okay, horizontal rows are period. And can you see this downward? These are what? Groups. Vertical columns in periodic table are called groups. Now, how many groups are there, beta? Look here, let us count. ये देख रेड में मैंने लिख दिया कितना है अरे देखो यहाँ पर टेबल देखे शेट्या देख इधर हाँ 80 हमने यार हॉरिजॉन्टल रोज पर्पल में देख अभी आएगा देखो अच्छा कैन यू सी बिलो देयर आर टू additional they are coming from which period 6th period and 7th period right beta okay so this is your modern periodic table now what all thing we have to do beta did we did the position of the element last class no na beta these are the element are arranged on the basis of atomic number okay इसमें गलती है बेटा वो भी मैं बताऊंगा बाद में look beta can you see lanthanides are coming from where beta lanthanides are coming from which period 6th period actinide is coming from which period beta देखो 7th period actinides okay now beta very important thing I want you all to write if you have written or not tell me last class I'll quickly revise beta last class what all thing we have written beta दिखा okay anyways but I know but many students were not there I want to do this we are going to study position of element okay many students were absent last class and this is very important you are not supposed to talk नहीं कुछ नहीं चुपचाप बैठ no tell them all of them to be quiet
Can you increase the fan speed so that the temperature will be
A, if valence electron is 1, then it will be what? Group 1. If valence electron is 2, then it will be group. Boys, those who have not written, please write it. If valence electron is 1, then group 1. Valence electron means outermost electron. 2, then group 2. But if valence electron are what, beta? 3 or more. 3 or more valence electron. नहीं लिखा है तो फिर से लिखो. चलो बहुत अच्छी बात है, लिख दिया तो चुपचाप बैठो. Therefore, for this, what will you do? For them, if 3 or more valence electron is there, then what will be your group number? Whenever it is 3 or more, then what you are going to do? 10 plus those electron. If it is 3, then what you'll do? A, girl. If it is 3, then 10 plus 3. If it is 4, then 10 plus 4. But if it is 1, then it will be group 1 only. Clear? Why don't you just shut your mouth? You don't have B in your syllabus. Shut your mouth.
Increase the fan speed.
No.
Sir, और 16. Sir, और fast है. Sir, cooling अच्छा है. Fan speed.
Fan speed is higher.
Sir, थोड़ा.
चल. ये क्या? Mentally retarded.
देखो इसको.
Hello. Now, beta, I'll give you example. I'm again beta, all this I'm recapping for you all. Okay? Run from your sister. In exam, they will tell you, beta, there is an element X. Its atomic number is 20. Then what you have to do? You have to find period number and group number. So what you should do?
Period 4, group 2.
First, you have to write electronic configuration. 2, 8, 8, 2. Now, how many orbits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, beta? So, what is period number from your formula here? Can you see? The period number is number of orbits. So, how many orbit it is having? 4. Then we go for group. A group ke liye, what is the formula? Number of valence. How many valence electron is here? Valence means outermost. How many is there? 2. If it is 2, therefore it will be group 2 only.
Y70.
Yeah. ठीक है, done. घेऊन टाक. Come on. How is what, dear? Tell me. Yeah, and for that you need to pay attention. You be and not talking, continuously talking in the class and all that as well. Hey, bye. What? Some black and white movies was going on.
Color discrimination. No color discrimination.
Acha, hey, what? Oh, hey, this two boys here. Hello. Please stop making Oreo biscuits behind, okay?
इसका हाथ यहाँ पर है सर देखो क्या
Shut up. Okay, enough. Enough. Now pay attention. Hey, Boka, please pay attention here. Bas. Now let us go to the next one. Hello, boys and girls. This is very giving you another example. Wait, there is an element. There is an element Q. Its atomic number is, let us say, 16. Then what you'll do, beta? 2, 8, 6. So how many period? 3. How many valence electron? 6. But if it is 3 or more, then what do you have to do? 10 plus 6. Understood? This is very important. Please. Clear? Any difficulty here? I am going to do many things. Shut your mouth. Yeah. Hey, bye. बस हो गया अभी यहाँ पे ए भाई ये शेटिया यहाँ पे देखना ना वो तो कोई बात नहीं अभी मैं नया दे रहा हूँ ना तू लेना वही चुपचाप करना मैं वहां पे मैंने एक्स दिया था ठीक है ना हाँ मतलब कुछ भी हो मैं अलग अलग दे रहा हूँ चल अब yeah suppose that I am giving you another example there is an element R and its atomic number is 6 so what you are going to do 2, 4 so what will be period? Period will be 2. Why? Because there are 2 orbits. Anya beta, Navya and Sarah, are you getting it? What I am trying to teach you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, group
Yes.
number, what you have to do? Valence electron. Is this valence electron 4 or 3 or more than 3? So if it is 3 or more than 3, what you have to do? Plus 10. So beta, what you are going to do beta? 10 plus 4. Therefore, group 14. Are you getting it? I am going to do many more examples. Just shut your mouth. There is an element T. Its atomic number is 19. So what you'll do? 2, 8, 8, 1. So how many orbit it is? So which period? And how many valence electron it is having? Only 1. Therefore it will be what? Group 1. No, I'm giving you beta. There is only one exception. Done. Then I'm going to go for the next one. There is an element. Its atomic number is 2. The electronic configuration is 2. So if you see there is only one orbit, so what you'll say period is 1 and what you'll think, sir, there are only 2 electrons, so it should be group 2, na?
Group 18.
No, it won't be group 2. Because here we are not going to apply the rule, it is group 18. Why? Because this element is who? Helium. Helium is a noble gas. All noble gases are in what, beta? Group 18. Exception. This was the exceptional case. Okay, now just shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Only for helium. Otherwise, all noble gases, how many electrons? I'll give you one more example. Chalo, done. Do it fast. How much you all talk? Then is he talking continuously? Yeah, she's being very mean actually. Yeah. Learn from your sister. Done, done. Chalo. Now let us. Hey, there is an element.
Sir,
There is an element
Seven.
10.
sir, 7.
His atomic number is
Sir, 7.
10. Chalo, how will you do beta 10?
You
So
felt about the
period will be
hard, confusing. Did you
and
ever
only
see
when
her
selecting
time?
gas.
Went to her place once.
Log out only I'm doing it.
Crib, was
How many
crying.
valence electron is
And
there?
what happened? Nothing. She turned up the volume on the TV.
What nice, sorry. Okay.
But sir, because neon is already too big.
But I have not mentioned a neon. How will you come to know? So what? So 2,8, no, it is. Where I have written 2, comma. Shut up. Can't see a what? Blind man.
I swear the Virgin Mary, we didn't know.
Hey, who is making this noise?
Was it death?
Huh?
At first glance, it looks like the baby was more than likely put in the bag and buried alive. 16 bones. What did he die? Hard to tell. Asphyxiation.
Navya, stop
Dehydration.
watching video.
Sorry,
Pay
sir.
attention. Very bad. Stop watching reels. Okay, anyways, this is very, very important. Pass. Okay. Now, तू रख किया यहाँ पे देगा अभी बस हो गया ये टाइम पास करता है ना इसलिए मार्क्स नहीं आता है तेरे को ठीक है हंस अश्लेषा वॉइस ये समझ में नहीं आता है एक बार बोले वॉइस वॉइस okay now this is very important thing I'm going to do now just pay attention here very very important thing beta now I want all of you to write this now let
Mostly is equal to young Austrian painter. Mostly is equal to
okay how elements are arranged now one important point I'm going to you will not understand this chapter this is very important this is there for your 10th grade also entire chapter will be repeated as it is now beta we are going to go for the different arrangement beta now first we'll study how many elements are there beta look first period this is which period beta first अरे दिखाई दे रहा है कि नहीं which how many elements you can see first period how many elements are there Shayan both of them are gas ऐसा पे I can ask you question name a period in which both the element are gas then it is which period first ठीक है so what I want all of you to do look here let me first write you just pay attention here first what I'm writing here period number so period number so how many period are there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and wait I'll tell you when and what to do this is your first period okay this is your second this is your third this is your fourth this is your fifth now I'll tell you beta here they will give you total elements total elements. And what is the name for that particular period? Okay. Now in first period, how much you got? Tell me, beta. 8 minutes. Listen, all of you. Shh. First is how much? First is how much?
2.
मैं कसम से बोल रहा हूँ भाई, तुम लोग दोनों का अभी आवाज आया समझ नहीं, तुम लोग का मत देख, तेरा तुम लोग दोनों का देखो पहले, तुम लोग दोनों का देखो बस। ए लोग दोनों के उधर कान के नीचे मजा ए shut your mouth. First period is what beta? 2 element. It is known as shortest. Shortest. Second and third. Second period में how many elements are there? Count Ashlisha here. Pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these two period. Okay. So second period is how many element? 8. Okay. First period was having how many element? Tell me beta. First period was having 2. So it was what? Shortest. In MCQ they will ask which is the shortest period, right? Second mein how many are there? 8. This is also 8. So these are which period? Short period. So which are short period? Period 2 and period 3. Then beta which one is long? So now beta look here. Here how many elements are there? Let us count in the fourth period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
6, 7 or 18 or
Yeah, we can do that also. Fourth and fifth both have what? 18 each. Clear, beta? So second and third we're having how much? Second and third we're having a short period. Fourth and fifth are 18. So these are which period? Long. So what is a long period? So 18, 18. Long. In MCQ or in math the column, they can ask you this, or they can tell me state the number of element present. Now the fifth one and sixth one we are going to go for. Now be careful in sixth one, but I want you to see properly. Look, baby, this. Hey, Arya, 56. Then beta, this is 57, and then suddenly it is 72. So 14 elements are missing or not? Tell me. अरे 57 से डायरेक्ट 72 है मैन। हाँ तो बीच में ये एलिमेंट यहाँ पर है। This is 58 to 71. 58 to 71 if you will count.
what is that belief?
Wait, I'll tell you beta. I'll explain each and everything. So how many elements are there beta here? 14.
14.
And here it is 18. 18 plus 14 it will be how much?
Longest.
32. Yeah, 32 it is the long. Which period is the longest period in MCQ? They will ask. Which period is the longest? 32 element, and it is what beta? Longest. Now similarly beta, if you see the capacity for 7th is also 32.
Yeah.
But in your textbook, other elements have not yet been discovered. So how many elements are there in this beta? There are only 26 as given in your textbook. But what was the capacity for this beta? 32 only. But how many elements are there only? So therefore we call it as which period? Incomplete. Please copy this. This is the capacity, but these are the actual elements. 26. No, capacity, no, there was a place, but
No.
hey, hey, bhai, stand on the bench, this boy. Stand on the bench. Bench. Okay. हाँ ठीक है बेटा. Oh, now, okay, this is very important, huh, beta? Now, we are going to go for the next part. In exam, they will definitely ask question related to this. Yes, then what? You are hatching eggs or what? Good. This girl here, how much will talk both of you? No, that, I'll do that. First, you pay attention. Have you written this? Ready, fast. Hey, who will take Sarah's worksheet? Sarah. You stay near to Sarah. Sarah, I'm giving your periodic table worksheet to Dalmia. Jagmohan Dalmia.
Okay, sir.
And Navias I have given to whom? Ashlesha. And
Yes, sir.
Dhingra's Tanisha. Yeah. Chalo. Done, done, done. All of you now, beta, we are going to go for the next part. Beta, we have very less time. Again, I'm telling you, more you will talk, we won't be able to complete the portion. Again, I'm telling you. Yeah, pay attention. Chalo. Now we are going to go for the next part. No, I'm not going to wait. Very good. चलो बेटा आ जाओ. Yeah. Now, hey. Anya Mehta and this Tanisha, shut your mouth, shut your garbage. Garbage. Shut your garbage. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Now, we are going to go for a very important part, beta. We have given certain name to all these elements, beta. I'm going to share one PDF with you all. That PDF is also very important, beta. But now, yeah. After today's class, beta, whatever I'm going to show you, I'm going to share it with you. Before coming for the next class, all these things you should write and come. If anybody is found without writing, then you'll have a big problem. I'll tell you, beta. Now, periodic table, this PDF I'm going to share. Don't worry. This is of your 10th grade. Exactly the same chapter is repeated there, but few extra concept. यहाँ पे ध्यान दे बेटा. Group 1 को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? What do we call group 1? Alkali metal. Group 2 is called as alkaline earth. Group 17 is called as halogens. Group 18 is called as inert gas, rare gas और noble gas. 3 से लेके 12 तक क्या है बोलो बेटा? 3 to 12 is transition. Okay, now if you see from here inside the transition, two separate rows are coming below or not? Tell me. So they are inside the transition series. Therefore, the name is what, beta? Inner transition. Therefore, the name is what? Lanthanide and actinide. Now, beta, do you see, beta, we have given name to all the group. But have we given this name to this 3 to 16? No, no, beta. This was 17 halogen. They still, all these are transition. So what name I'll give to 13, 14, 15 and 16? They are after transition. So we call them as post-transition. We call them as what? Post-transition. Now, beta, we'll study. We are going to study in detail. I'll tell you everything. Chalo, beta, group 1. Now, beta, all this I'm going to share with you all. I want you to pay attention here. Very important thing. Group 1. Look, beta, group 1 is what known as alkali metal. We can write Roman 1A also. Okay. Hey, what are the elements in group 1? Lina K, RBCs, Farad. What it is? Lina K, RBCs, Farad. So what is this? Li whether lithium, Na matlab sodium, K means potassium, RB means rubidium, SES means cesium, FRA is francium. Last element is radioactive. Don't write this. I'm going to share this. Don't worry. First, pay attention. I want all of you to pay attention. If you won't pay attention to here, you will not understand anything. Okay. Now, I have written the atomic number. Now, can you see how many electrons are there in their outermost shell? All of them. 1. Shayan Shetty, how many are there? Beta 1, 1, 1. So valence electron is how much? 1. Anyone which has 1 electron, 3 or less than 3 electron, they will always lose. So what will be their valency beta? 1 plus. If they lose the electron, therefore they are what? Electropositive. They are univalent metals. Univalent. Acha, now this is very important. This Dhyan, pay attention here. They lose 1 electron. Okay, so the one who reduces its electron easily, they are strong reducing agent. In exam, they will ask this question: which group element are strong reducing agent? Then what will say? Group 1 or alkali metals. Clear? Right? Then beta, they are all metal. Metal form with bond electron, and they are very soft and can be cut with the help of knife. They are highly reactive. Therefore, they are kept under kerosene. Why? Because if you keep them out in atmosphere, there is what? Moisture. Moisture means water. So they will react with water and they will catch fire. Therefore, they are kept under kerosene. Why they are known as alkali? ये भी question आएगा. Kept under kerosene. Why? Because they react with the moisture in atmosphere and catches fire. Why group 1 is called alkali? This is very important. Tanisha, why it is called alkali? Because when dissolved in water, look, this is sodium, it is an alkali metal. When I dissolve in water, it form what? Water soluble base. Water soluble base को क्या कहते हैं बेटा? Strong alkali. Therefore, they are known as alkali. Therefore, they are known as what? Alkali. Clear है? Group 1. Okay. Yeah. Group 1 are called alkali. This will come for give reason. Now you'll say, sir, so many points we are given, but I'll tell you, you'll say, sir, where this is given in textbook. I'll show you better. In textbook, they have distributed this part. They have written in 2 different places. I'll show you better. First is on your page number 86 and then it is on page number 87. Look in for page number 86, what they have given here. Can you see element alkali metal group 1, group 1A? Can you see which are the element? Lina ke RBC is Farar. Or Lina ki rabdi, sasti and fresh. Whatever you want to remember. Okay. So now a valence electron is one, highly reactive. And why they are known as alkali? Because they react with water to form strong alkalis. Then you will say, sir, where are the remaining points? So look, beta, the remaining point is here. Shayan Shetty, it is here. Okay. Okay, now look, hey, they are light metal, they have only 1 valence electron, therefore they are univalent, they are strong reducing agent. Why? Because they can lose their electron easily, highly reactive, soft metal can be cut with the help of knife. Clear hai? Are you getting it? Electrovalent bond, because metal and non-metal, they are good conductor. पहले वाला पेज में, ये पेज नंबर 86 में एकदम टॉप पे ये रहा, ये फुल. लेकिन बेटा डोंट वरी, मैंने ना आपको बहुत, ये जो मैं बता रहा हूं ना पीडीएफ, वो आप एक साथ में लिखना घर पे. आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू ऑल. ओके, पे अटेंशन हियर. नाउ या ग्रुप 2, ग्रुप 2 को क्या कहते हैं बोलो बेटा? ग्रुप 2, आई एम गिविंग यू ऑल ट्रिक एंड ऑल. ग्रुप 2 इज नोन एज व्हाट? प्लीज, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बेटा, 10th में भी आने वाला सीट बेटा, यहाँ पे ध्यान दे. ओके, यहाँ पे देख, बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. बेटा मीन्स बेरिलियम, मांगे मीन्स मैग्नीशियम, कार मीन्स कैल्शियम, scooter is strontium, barium, razi means radium. You'll remember all these mnemonic also. I am going to share it. I am going to share it. बेटा मांगे है, ठीक है ना बेटा? ठीक है, बेटा मांगे. Okay, yeah. Okay. ये मैन गे है वो, ठीक है? बस हो गया, इनफ. बेटा okay, boys there, please. Okay. Wait.
सर देखो अभी
Okay, boys here. Beryllium. Now, please focus on the concept here. ए ईडी डालमिया इधर देख दे. सबके बाहर कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन है यार? हम many electrons are there? Try to understand. Try to understand the concept. How many electrons are there? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Therefore, they are in group 2. Remember, beta, group number is equal to what? Number of valence electrons. Number of valence electron. Hey, anybody if has 3 or less than 3 electron, it will always try to lose. So all of them valence electron is 2, so they will lose 2. Hey, if they lose, then they are what? Electropositive. Hey, the one who loses, they are also reducing agent. But this will be little less than alkali. Why? Alkali wanted to lose only 1 electron. They have to lose how many electron? 2. Hey, it is easier to lose 1 kilo weight or 2 kilo weight. 1 kilo weight आप लोग आसानी से lose करेंगे ना बेटा. So they are also reducing agent, but little less than group 1. Clear?
So what is barium?
Barium it is, not barium, barium. Outer electron will be 2 only. Okay? Right? Now, outer electron is 2 only. Look here. Now we'll say, sir, where all this is? I am here to help you out, beta. Look, beta.
86 and 87.
Page number 86. They have given this alkaline earth metal, beta mange car scooter baprase. They have written similar to alkali, but all this detailed part where they are given, look here. Detailed part is given on this next page. Alkaline earth metal group 2. Can you see? 2 valence electron, divalent, property similar, but little less than alkali. Have you understood why little less than alkali?
Yeah.
Any difficulty till here? Now later we go to the next part. And halogen. Hey, which one is there? Hey, Supa. Pay attention here. Halogen. Halogen. Wait, I'll teach you everything. First, pay attention here. Halogen. Halogen. First class biryani I ate. First class biryani I ate. This is T, 80. In the PDF which I am going to share you, in that it is already corrected. Fluorine, beta, everybody, you see how much electrons are there in the valence shell? 7. Hey, if it is 7, 2 or more, 3 or more than 3, then what we do, Tanisha? Plus 10. Therefore, it is group number what? 10 plus 7, 70. Okay? 3 or more than 3. Then we have to always do plus 10. बेटा देख एक एक चीज पूरा डिटेल में बता रहा हूँ. बस कर अभी वो है भाई सीड क्या टाइम पास. 10 plus 3. What we did so far? Eh, bas kar abhi. Eh, what happened, Arya? Pay attention here. Eh, now you tell me, Arya, will it gain electron or lose electron? Lord lose AD. इसलिए ध्यान देने का.
It will gain 1 electron.
It will gain 1 electron. It will gain. बेटा कॉन्सेप्ट पे ध्यान देने यहाँ पे. It will gain 1 electron. It will gain 1 electron. Why? Because every element try to attain the electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Octet होना के लिए कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए उसको 1. So they are gaining 1 electron. So valency will be plus or minus 1, minus 1. They are what? Electronegative. Remember, beta, the one who reduces its electron was what? Strong reducing agent. Now they are what? Gaining electrons. So they are powerful oxidizing. Which group element is powerful oxidizing agent? Then your answer will be what, beta? Group 17 or halogens. Why? Because they have 7 valence electrons. They want to gain 1 electron and they can gain 1 electron easily. Now in nature, beta, fluorine and chlorine are what, beta? Achha, why they are known as halogen? Halo means what, beta? Salt. Listen carefully, salt. Gen means producer. They are salt producer. When they give reason में आएगा ये मैंने आंसर आपको दे दिया है. When they react with metal, can you see sodium is a metal? When it the halogen, chlorine is halogen. When it is reacting with it, it is forming salt or not? Tell me. So since they react with metal to give you salt, therefore they are known as what? Halogen. The word halogen means what? Salt producer. Hey, now look here. Fluorine and chlorine both are gas. Fluorine is pale yellow. Chlorine is greenish yellow gas. Bromine is reddish brown liquid. Iodine is solid, violet होता है बेटा, solid. Now beta, if you see in nature how they exist, fluorine is always, we write F2, chlorine is Cl2, bromine is Br2, iodine is, so what is their atomicity beta? 2. They are what? Diatomic. Now beta, they will ask you which is the most abundant halogen? Chlorine. Which halogen found in toothpaste? Fluorine. क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक ऐसा ऐड आता है कि नहीं? फ्लोराइड वाला टूथपेस्ट. Yes.
So, what happened? Astatine.
Astatine is under research. Astatine. Okay. That's why we are not studying. It is under research. Astatine. Shut your mouth and pay attention here.
Sir, you can decrease more.
No. Most here. Most. I'll increase beta.
Sir, 20 Just hard gas cut करेंगे
No, wait,
आपको.
5 minutes and then you will change the fact. No, it's fine.
बेटा मैं तुम लोग को बोल देता, तुम लोग दोनों यहाँ नेक्स्ट टाइम से
Sir,
नहीं दिमाग खराब मत करना. तेरा तुम लोग दोनों का प्लेस चेंज होने वाला है, फाइनल हो गया बस. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे जाए और तुम लोग दोनों का प्लेस चेंज होने वाला है. नहीं बस चलो, तुम लोग दोनों का तो वो येड़ी तेरा नहीं है बेटा, वो तुम दोनों का बस बोल दिया तो बोल दिया. अरे now most all these things will come in exam and you won't be able to answer them. Most reactive halogen is fluorine. In swimming pool beta we add what? Chlorine. And the salt which we use beta, it is iodized salt. अगर आयड भी देखो कि देश का नमक टाटा नमक देसे ना, iodized salt, right? Why they add iodine? So that you know there is the deficiency of iodine may cause goiter, so we don't want that thing to happen. Clear? So all this was about, now you will say, so where all this is given in text? So they have split it in two parts, but I have given in one, and I have given very nicely, give reason and everything. Look here beta, halogen on page number 86, first class biryani I ate. Okay, highly reactive, good oxidizing. They have just written, but they have not given explanation. I have given with electronic configuration so that you will understand. I have given all the mnemonic also. Then beta, here it is, remaining part is here. Hello. Look beta, this is astatine and the research. Got it? They have how many valence electrons? 7. Therefore, they are univalent. They will gain these electrons. They give reason why they are powerful, strong oxidizing agent. Highly reactive. They are not, why they are known as Hal means salt, Jan means producer. They react with metal to form salt. The most reactive halogen, fluorine. Most abundant, chlorine. क्लियर है बेटा? स्विमिंग पूल में कौन होता है? क्लोरीन. आयोडीन में क्या है बोलो बेटा? आयोडाइज्ड सॉल्ट में कौन है? आयोडीन. ए फ्लोरीन इज एडेड टू टूथपेस्ट, प्रिवेंट टूथ डिके ना बेटा. क्लियर? फ्लोराइड वाला टूथपेस्ट. ओके, दैट गर्ल कम, क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? यू नो, या. नाउ बेटा एटॉमिसिटी, एवरीथिंग आई गिवन. लुक, F2Cl2 Br2 I2, diatomic. ए फ्लोरीन एंड क्लोरीन आर गैस, bromine is liquid, and iodine is solid. Everything I have given in detail. Then beta we go to the last group. Last group is which one beta? Noble gas, rare gas, inert gas. How to remember them? Hina, Nina और करीना के जेरोक्स रंगीन. हीना, नीना, करीना के एक्स रंगीन या जेरोक्स रंगीन, whatever. Yes. Please. ए ईड़ा, इधर देखना. तो अब क्या है देख रहा है? देख, कान के नीचे दूंगा अभी. नीना, ए सबके बाहर देख बेटा, 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन है कि नहीं? हीना मीन्स हीलियम, नीना मीन्स नियॉन, और मीन्स आर्गॉन, करीना इज क्रिप्टॉन, जेरोक्स इज जेनॉन, रंगीन का आरएन इज रेडॉन. ठीक है ना बेटा? ऑल द एलिमेंट विच आर द लोएस्ट वन, दे ऑल आर रेडियो एक्टिव. प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट. Okay, I have the PDF which I am going to share. In that everything is written, all this point. Hey, does all of them have 8 electron? No, ille. This is having 2. So they have all are octet complete except helium. Helium ka duplet is complete. Hey, they have stable electronic configuration or not? Tell me. Therefore, their valence is what? They are non-reactive. Valence is 0. In nature, I can write hydrogen H2, Cl2. But can I write helium He2? No, therefore they are which gases? Monoatomic. They can never be diatomic because they won't react only. Is this clear to all of you? Hello. So then you say, so where all this thing is given? Beta, it is given here. Look. Yeah. A noble gases, rare gas. Can you see this page number 87? They have given there below. Look here, group 18 element, 8 valence electron except helium, which has duplet. Valency combining capacity is how much? 0. Stable electronic configuration. Therefore, they are inert or unreactive. Monoatomic gases. Understood? Which group element are monoatomic gases? Group 18. Okay, what is the name of group 18? Noble gas, rare gas, inert gas. तो बेटा हम लोग ने बेटा ये देखो पूरा हम लोग ने किस किस के बारे में पढ़ा, किस किस के बारे में? ग्रुप 1 alkaline, halogen and inert gas. Now what is remaining beta here? Yeah, 3 to 12. So we are going to study about transition. Now listen carefully. Whenever you do this transition element, we have here something like this copper, Fe. ये बेटा all these are which element? Transition. मैं आपको ये भी बता देता हूँ. Science teacher, very cruel mannered fellow, drinks coffee at night in cup with झंडू. ये निमोनिक है बेटा. या झंडू. Science teacher, very cruel mannered fellow. ए झंडू बाम हमें देख. Okay. Look, I am going to explain you very important point. If you are not going to pay attention, you will not understand. ठीक है? चलो. Now this is very important. बेटा आ जाओ. First of all, why they are called as transition? If you see on this side we have metals, and on this side we have what beta? Non-metals generally. So therefore, why they are called as transition? Because they are placed between the extremely reactive metals on the left hand side and non-metals on the right hand side. Now beta, in transition element beta, if you see which all element you came across, Fe, copper, you know beta, we have studied they have variable valency, cuprous, cupric, ferrous, ferric. So transition element have variable valency. A copper compound are blue colored, copper sulfate, ferrous are dirty green, reddish brown. So their compounds are generally colored. ठीक है? Yeah, look here. A transition group, all 3 to 12 are called transition. This is very important. All are metals. They have last 2 shells incomplete. This is not given in your book, but I just for your extra information I am giving you. Because therefore they have variable valency. You know, one electron will jump from penultimate to ultimate.
Yeah.
Okay, they have variable valency. They have what? Variable. Their compounds are colored. बेटा मैं ना ये तुम लोग के ना दोनों में से मैं तो पहले तो तुम लोग दोनों को 10th में मैं लेने ही नहीं वाला हूँ. पहले बता नहीं तुम लोग यहाँ पे टाइम में एक एक चीज यहाँ पे डिटेल में टेक्स्ट बुक से पढ़ेगा. कुछ नहीं समझेगा तुम लोगों को. समझा ना? हाँ वैसे भी नहीं समझ रहा है ना. तेरे को बहुत समझ में आ रहा है ना? हाँ ध्यान दे. यहाँ पे गेम खेलने का है ना, तू जा तू दूसरी जगह पे जाके खेल के. तो फिर
चल रहा है.
नहीं मैं देख रहा हूँ कब से. तुम लोग को नहीं है ना तो मैं तुम लोग को निकाल. सही में बोलता हूँ. 2-3 बच्चे बेचारे वो लोग मेरे को बोल रहे हैं वी वांट एडमिशन. तुम लोग को मैं निकाल दूंगा, घर पे भेज दूंगा, तुम्हारा फीस रिटर्न दे दूंगा. क्लास में बैठेगा ना तो चुपचाप यहाँ पे ध्यान देने का. टाइम पास करने को आता है क्या तो? Why they are called transition beta? This also, these all information they have not given, but in your school exam they may ask all this point. Because they are placed between what? Metals and on the left hand side and non-metals on the right hand side. Now, if you see here, in your textbook, they have given very limited information about transition elements. Look, group 3 to 12 on page number 86. They all are what beta? They are given 3 to 12 transition. Therefore, they, if you remember beta, we have written B for them. Why we have written B? Because their last 2 shells incompletely filled. They lie at the center. They can metals, highly reactive metals on the left hand side and non-metals on the right hand side. Clear? Then beta, we have what? In below the transition element, can you see beta? We have 2 separate rows. Here, can you see this? Two rows are coming here. So they are inside the transition or not, beta? They are known as what? Inner trans. इसका नाम lanthanide क्यों गिरा? Because ये element, first element यहाँ पे कौन था? La. So these element are after lanthanide. So therefore we call lanthanides. This La is lanthanum. So after lanthanides, after lanthanum we call them as lanthanides. Lanthanides का another name is what, beta? They are rarer because they are rarely found in Earth's crust. All actinides are what, beta? Acha, why we have given this name? What was this? AC is actinium. So after actinium, whichever element are there, we have called them as what? Actinides. Actinides are all radioactive. All radio. A transition element had how many shell incompletely filled? Last two. So here they will have how many shell incompletely filled? Last three. So this information is not given, but extra information I am giving you. Look here. Look, inner transition beta, they are placed below the periodic table. 14 lanthanides and 14 actinides, therefore total 28 elements. How many shells are incompletely filled? Last 3 shells. First inner transition series का नाम क्या था बोलो? Lanthanide. Lanthanide are also known as, they belong to which period? Second inner transition series का what was the name? What is the name? What is another name? Belong to which period? But both belong to which group? Group 3 only. I'll show you in the table also. Look. मैं ना नेक्स्ट टाइम है ना सबका बुक चेक करने वाला, मैं आज जो भेजने वाला जो नहीं लिख के आया ना उसको सीधा घर पे भेजूंगा. ए देख, दिस इज द ट्रांजिशन. कैन यू सी बेटा? दिस इज इन विच पीरियड? इफ यू सी, लैंथेनाइड कहां से आया था? ये 6 पीरियड था ना, यहां से आया है ना, तो इट इज इन 6 पीरियड. एक्टिनाइड इज वेयर बेटा? इट वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर, 7th पीरियड. बोथ ऑफ देम आर इन विच ग्रुप? Group 3 only. Clear? Now beta we go to the next part. What is our next part here? Group 13, 14, 15, 16. उसका कोई नाम दिया था क्या? नहीं ना हम लोग ने. उसका क्या नाम दिया हम लोग ने? बोलो. Post transition element. It has all metal, non-metal, metalloid, everything it will have. Now you will say, sir, where all these things is given in textbook beta? So in textbook beta, if you see inner transition series on page number 86, the lanthanide is known as rare earth. Actinides are radio. MCQ में पूछते हैं. Lanthanide belong to which period? 6th period. Actinide belong to which period? 7th period. Where they are placed? Bottom of the periodic table. Total 14 actinides. Oh, sorry, inner transition. Lanthanide also 14 and actinide also 14. Group 13 to 12 का नाम क्या दिया बोलो बेटा? Look, I told you they have all metals, non-metals as well as what? Metalloid. Clear? Now, beta, we go to the next part. They will ask you, beta, what are normal elements? Normal elements, where they are placed, beta? They are placed in what, beta? Group 1. Directly, they go group 1, 2, and directly, then it is what? And it is 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Here, beta. Here. Why not 18? We have written. I have written few examples. Group 1 में कौन था? Sodium, देख बेटा 1. Sodium, magnesium. Can you see it? 13 है तो बेटा उसके बाहर कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा? 3. Can you see this? Hello.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 14 means 4, 15, 16 and 7. अच्छा, now in all these beta, if you see, are the inner 2 shell completely filled? अंदर का 2 का capacity कितना था? How much? 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So these are completely filled or not? Tell me.
Yeah.
So these all element have all the shells completely filled except which one? The last one. Except the लास्ट का कैपेसिटी कितना था? 8 का था. इसमें एक ही 1 ही है, 2 है. दिख रहा है ना बेटा? 4, 5, 6, 7. So they have all. So what are normal elements? अभी समझा क्या? मैंने एग्जांपल के साथ दिया तो ही समझेगा, ऐसा डायरेक्ट समझेगा नहीं. Normal elements are the element in which all shells are completely filled except the last. They belong to which group? 1, 2 and directly 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Why we have not written 18? Because 18 में last shell is completely filled. Yes. Look here. Now you'll say, so where is this given? So it is given over here. Look. Normal elements. Look. Group 1, 2 and direct 13. ये direct समझे थे. These are the elements which all shall completely fill except the outermost. Is this clear? Hello. Now this I am going to explain you, but I am going to explain this in detail later on, but I want you to understand this right now. What are bridge element? This will definitely come. Bridge element or diagonal relationship. Beta, now if you see in period 2 and period 3 only, you will see this. Lithium ka size is almost similar to magnesium. Size is what beta? Similar. Why it is similar, that we will do in next class. But before this, you should know what is this similar. Lithium size is similar to but this element is diagonally opposite, right? The beryllium size is similar to what? Aluminium. And boron size is similar to silicon. And therefore, these elements are known as what, beta? Diagonal element, or they are also known as what? They are also known as bridge element. They are also known as bridge element. Why they are similar? Due to similar atomic size. Okay, now what exam question they will ask? This is very important. Look. What are bridge elements? Elements of the second period resemblance their property with the elements of the third period, which are diagonally opposite to them. Therefore, it is known as what? Who is diagonal element of lithium? They will ask. Magnesium. Who is diagonal element of beryllium? Who is the diagonal element of boron? Silicon. Clear? Now, beta, in exam, they will ask this thing. This is very important. Look, down the group and across the period. Down the group and across the period. First of all, what we are going to study, beta? First, we are going to study valence electron. Then we are going to study valency. Then we are going to study about orbit. These three things we are going to study right now. Now, I'll show you. Wait. First. Okay. And the valency and valence electron, everything I'm going to teach you. Okay, beta, I have written this electronic configuration. Can you see? I have written here electronic configuration. I want you to pay attention. Then only you'll understand. Here it is potassium. Potassium कितना होता था? 2881. This is 2882. Now I want you to see. In this is group. Vertical column is group. In all these elements, look at the electron which is in the outermost shell. How much electron is there in the outermost shell here? So down the group, valence electron remains same. Here also, beta, can you see how much was the valence electron? 2. So down the group, valence electron remains same. Can you see this? So valence electron down the group remains same. Now if I go across the period, यहाँ पे 1 था, यहाँ पे कितना हो गया? 2. यहाँ पे 2 था, यहाँ पे कितना हो गया? बोलो बेटा 3. 3 से 4. So across the period it increases by 1. समझा? Down the group valence electron remains same. Across the period valence electron increases by 1. ना बेटा वैलेंसी जो भी ग्रुप 1 में होगा उसका वैलेंसी कितना होगा बेटा? यहाँ पे +1. इसका कितना होगा? अरे ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा ना, +2. इसके बाहर कितना है? 3 3. So what will be the valency? +3. Now I want you to tell me what will be the valency of your noble gas is 0. This will gain 1 electron, so -1. So it will gain and gain, so it will be what? -2. You gain 3, so -3. And this is 4 4. It may be gain or share, whatever. So now tell me, down the group valency is what? Down the group valency is same. But across the period valency increases from 1 to 4. And then it decreases up to 0 or not? Tell me. Hello. Are you getting it? Chalo. Now, hey, look here. Orbit. In first shell, how many ring is there? Only 1. In second, how many are there? 2. In third, 3. Fourth में कितना orbit होगा? 4. So down the group, beta, what happens to number of shell? Increases by 1. Across the period, how many are there? Here also 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Are you getting it or not? Tell me. Look, everything I'm showing and then I'm explaining you. So look here, beta, what you're going to, I have explained you 3 things. What all things we did? Valence electron, top to bottom remain same. Across the period increases by 1. Yeah, I have faith, beta. Okay, valency, remain down the group remains the same. Across the period it increases up to 4. And then it decreases up to 0. Have you understood this? Orbit or shell, down the group it increases by 1. And across the period it remains same. Are you getting it or not? Tell me. Now, beta, we are going to go for the periodic property. And the very first periodic property is what, beta? Atomic size. What it is? Atomic size. What is? Now we have to study 3 periodic property. First, we are going to study. Acha, if I am writing this, if it is a circle and if I draw a line from the center to here, what do we call this?
Radius.
Acha, now beta, if it is an atom, and if I draw a line from the center of the nucleus to the outermost shell, then you will call it as which radius? अबे ये सर्कल का था तो रेडियस होता था, ये एटम का है, एटॉमिक रेडियस. So what is the atomic radius or atomic size? It is the distance from the center of the nucleus to the outermost shell. Distance from the nucleus to the outermost shell. So first periodic property. Look. Acha beta. Look here beta. This PDF also I have shared to all of you beta. In this I have given everything. Like what I have given. Look here. What is modern periodic law? The physical and the chemical properties of element are periodic functions of their atomic number. Then what is your horizontal row? Period. Vertical column? Group. Hey, this is what period number is number of shell and group is valence electron. If valence electron is 1, group 1. 2, then 2. If it is 3 or more, then what you have to do? Plus 10. Clear hai beta? Then I have given this also. First period shortest, short, long, longest and incomplete. Then I have given you this also. Hey, alkali metal, beta मांगे car scooter दिख रहा है ना ये? Alilina के R basis everything. Transition element, inner transition. Now we are doing this atomic size. What is the atomic size or atomic radius? It is the distance from the center of the nucleus to the outermost shell. Distance from the center of the nucleus to the outermost shell. Now beta down the group if I go. Where I go? Down the group. तो बेटा डाउन द ग्रुप क्या होता है बोलो? ये देखो एटॉमिक साइज. व्हाट हैपेंस टू द डाउन द ग्रुप? व्हाट इंक्रीजेस? एक एक ऑर्बिट बढ़ेगा कि नहीं? Down the group atomic number of orbit is increasing or not? So what is happening to this atomic radius? So down the group atomic radius increases. Why? Because at down the group number of shell increases. Very important. Rubir beta, down the group number of orbit increases. Therefore what will happen? Atomic radius increases. Now we are going to go across the period. I have written here sodium, magnesium and aluminium. Is sodium, when I write atomic number 11 means how many proton? 11. Magnesium 12 proton. Aluminium 13 proton. Acha, inside the nucleus what we have? Proton and neutron. Does neutron have any charge? So what is the charge on the nucleus of this? It will be 11 positive or not? So charge of proton is nothing but your nuclear charge. Can I call it as nuclear charge? Yeah, here what is the nuclear charge? Magnesium 12. Aluminium is how much? 30. Now across the period nuclear charge बढ़ रहा है कि नहीं? अच्छा बट ऑर्बिट सेम है ना बेटा? देख 3 है, यहाँ पे भी 3 है, यहाँ पे भी 3 है कि नहीं? In period number of shell remains constant. So now nuclear charge is increasing. If nuclear charge is increasing, what this fellow with nucleus will do? Nucleus will pull the outermost electron. Where in which case the electron will experience maximum pull? If the nuclear charge is 11 or nuclear charge is 13 ना बेटा? अरे 13 पॉजिटिव लोग इलेक्ट्रॉन को पुल कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे 11 पॉजिटिव. So nuclear charge is increasing across the period. So the outer electron will be pulled more closer. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Therefore across the period how will you write the answer? Across the period number of shell remains constant, atomic number increases, therefore nuclear charge increases. Therefore the outer electron will experience more force of attraction and therefore atomic radius decreases. तो देख बेटा ये मैंने बताया आप लोगों को. देख atomic size across the period, down the group atomic size increases, across the period decreases, across the period decreases. Look here, ए बेटा ये देख atomic radius down the group देख रहा है, रिंग बढ़ रहा है तो ये radius बढ़ रहा है कि नहीं? Across the period what happens? Number of shell remains same. But proton increases, that is nuclear charge increases. Nuclear charge increases, therefore electrons are pulled more closer to the nucleus, hence atomic size decreases. Acha beta, in this also you have to remember, this your noble gas, neon is slightly bigger than halogen. Who is the biggest element in a period? Alkali. Who is the smallest? Halogen. And noble gas is slightly bigger. Now in exam, what type of question they will ask? Look beta, I have written here. In a respective period, alkali matter is always biggest. Halogen are the smallest. Inert gases are slightly bigger than respective halogen. Now, beta, if you go see here, beta, can you see this? Here I have given periodic table. Look, can you see down the group, beta? Atomic lithium से बड़ा कौन है? Sodium. Down the group size is increasing or not? Across the period, what is happening to the size? Can you see this? यहाँ पे देखिए Anya Mehta. It is decreasing across the period. But noble gas is slightly bigger than halogen. Exam में बेटा they will ask this question. Arrange them in the increasing order or decreasing order. Look, I have given this very nicely. Look, I have given both. Increasing as well as decreasing. Alkali में बेटा down the group, who is the biggest? Cesium. ओके अल्कलाइन में कौन था बेरिलियम 2 दिस इज इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर हेलोजन में कहा था फर्स्ट क्लास बिरयानी आए दिस इज हीना नीना और करीना के बट इफ दे आस्क इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर देन व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू रिवर्स अरे सीजियम सबसे बड़ा है ये देखने डिक्रीजिंग में ऐसा छोटा में जाऊंगा कि नहीं बोलो इंक्रीजिंग में हम लोग छोटे से बड़ा लिखते थे आर यू गेटिंग इट यू शुड नो हाउ टू राइट इट या व्हाट हैपेंड टेल मी हाँ तो फ्रेंशियम ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट ना बेटा बट इट इज रेडियो एक्टिव सो वी जनरली डोंट स्टडी you can write that friendship but it is not given in the textbook so I have not given okay across the period what will happen look period का I have written separately पीरियड में सबसे बड़ा कौन था लिथियम देन बेरिलियम आर यू गेटिंग इट अच्छा ये फ्लोरीन सबसे छोटा है फ्लोरीन से बड़ा नियॉन था कि नहीं बोलो डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर बोलेगा तो देख ऐसा हाँ ये नियॉन थोड़ा बड़ा होगा फ्लोरीन सी थर्ड पीरियड का मैंने दोनों दे दिया बुक में एक ही ऑर्डर दिया रहता है आई हैव गिवन यू बोथ द ऑर्डर बेटा whatever I have shown you I am going to share it and you are going to write it and come if you are not coming without writing then you are gone in the next class that's all for today chalo then bye bye everybody I'm sharing in the group what all thing you have to write
Sir, my net had gone like.
Anya, how much
Sir,
you-
5.
hello
Sir, I got 27.
wow
I
very
messed-
nice very good
Sir, I didn't add the nitrogen 2 times for the percentage. उसमें ही marks का है.
not a problem beta I'll be sharing I have given your notes to this okay
Yeah, and sir, I'll watch. Can you send this recording? Can you please send this recording because I missed the last 5 minutes because of my network.
Bye, sir.
you message me Anya beta you message me I can't hear
हाँ sir. Yeah, okay.